Hello, everyone. This is your market update for Monday, July 28th, 2025. We're going to have a busy week. Going to be pretty exciting. Could see some significant volatility. It doesn't say here, but today we're going to get the Treasury quarterly refunding announcement. So they're going to have to reveal how much they are going to need to borrow over the next quarter. And then Wednesday, they're going to break that down into how much will be in bills versus treasuries. Tuesday, we'll get retail inventories as well as consumer confidence and job openings. Wednesday, we'll have the Fed decision and Powell's press conference starting at 2:30. I imagine we might see one or two dissents on the board as Governor Bowman and Waller jockey for Powell's position next year. Thursday, we're going to get PCE and core PCE for June, both expected at 0.3%. Then Friday, another big day, we'll have July's payroll numbers, non-farm, expected at 102,000 with a 4.2% unemployment rate. We'll see what revisions we get to the prior months. Over to the charts, starting with gold, currently trading at $3,333. Prices have been consolidating since peaking in April, and they're probably going to break one way or the other. I'm not sure. We'll see how the market reacts to Powell's press conference. In particular, I'm watching the dollar here. Over to silver, we have a natural interim cycle low that should be rolling over right now. It's been running about 26 trading days. That's these white arrows here. And the next one is due probably late this week or early next week. So I think we're going to see a pullback over the next week or so, and then we'll see another interim cycle low and a rally, and we'll see what kind of legs that next rally has. Over to platinum, kind of the same situation. I think we're pulling back into an interim cycle low here in probably late this month or very early next week. And then we'll probably get a rally out of that and see if we can get above that 1500 level. GDX finished up Friday at 1.18%. That was mostly because of Newmont's better than expected earnings. And we're going to see here, I don't know that we're going to see much upside follow through unless something unexpected happens out of the Fed and they're dovish. I think we're naturally the cycle's probably rolling over here into month end, and we could see another cycle low here in the opening days of August would be my guess. And then lastly, I haven't spoken about Ethereum here in a while. This is the number 2 cryptocurrency. It currently has a $469 billion market cap. It's coming up to resistance here around 4,125. Currently, prices are at 38.83. And if they can make it through this, then I think they're probably going to come up to challenge the cycle peak here from 2021, which was around 4,800, and that would be new all-time highs in Ethereum. Overall, I believe crypto is in its final leg into a 4-year cycle peak, which will probably arrive in the fourth quarter, maybe October I'm looking at, but could be as late as November or December. And then once prices peak, then they roll over into usually a 12-month bear cycle, and prices typically drop a minimum of around 70%. So I'll probably see a peak here within the next few months, and then a significant decline after that. So that's it for now. Have yourself a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you later.